A desperate friend. Inspector Edwards, can you help?
Yes?
My friends, Ken and Jenny, went away and they never came back.
Let me ask you some questions. When was it?
On Wednesday, the 10th of February, around 10.
So tell me about the events of the 10th.
Well, Jenny telephoned me. I was in bed. She was evidently stressed. She said they went somewhere and then the call ended. The telephone was dead.
Anything else?
Yes. Then Ken texted me at 10 past 10. The message said, "Get help."
Did they have any enemies?
I guess. They were threatened.
Well, Miss Bell, I'll do my best. And you'd better get some rest.